Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a delightful treat, an eggless coconut tea cake that's perfect for any occasion. So let's dive right in. In a bowl, mix together milk and oil. Add some powdered sugar and combine it well. Now let's add the dry ingredients like all-purpose flour, some desiccated coconut, baking powder and baking soda, and mix until it's just combined. Be careful not to over-mix it. Once all the dry ingredients are well mixed in, add some vinegar and mix it. Once everything is combined, pour the batter into a prepared loaf pan, spreading it evenly. Tap it to get rid of all the air bubbles. Now place the pan in the preheated oven and bake for around 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. And there you have it, our scrumptious coconut tea cake. Allow it to cool in the pan for a bit before transferring into a wire rack and cool it down completely. This cake pairs perfectly with a cup of tea or coffee. It's moist, flavorful, and absolutely delightful. Give it a try and enjoy. Thank you for joining us in our channel. I hope you try this recipe and love it as much as I do. See you next time. Bye-bye.